Welcome. If you've ever needed to track down a document you sent from your phone, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to view your sent emails with document attachments on Gmail, whether you're using an Android or iPhone, and everything is up to date for 2024. Let's dive right in. First, open the Gmail app on your device and make sure you're signed in to the right account. At the top left corner of your screen, you'll see the familiar menu icon. The three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Give that a tap. A side menu will appear, showing several options. Scroll down a little until you find the Sent folder. Tap on Sent to view all the emails you've sent from this account. Now, sometimes scrolling through your Sent folder can take forever if you send a lot of emails. Luckily, Gmail makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. At the top of your Sent folder, just beneath the search bar, you'll see a strip of options, one of which is Attachment. Go ahead and tap on Attachment. You'll see several categories of attachments. For today's purpose, you want to focus on documents. Look for the option labeled Documents and tap it. Instantly, Gmail filters your sent emails to only show those that contain attached documents like PDFs, Word files, or spreadsheets. From here, you can scroll through the refined list and spot the email with the attached document you need. Tap any email to open it, preview attachments, or even download them again to your device. It's that simple. No more hunting through hundreds of sent messages and no more wasted time. You can find every email you sent with an attached document in just seconds. If you found this helpful, don't forget to keep exploring Gmail's features to make your email life even easier. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.